Lenovo IdeaPad 520. Featuring top-of-the-line processing and advanced graphics options, this 15" laptop is designed to impress. Finished in premium metal and offering Harman speakers optimized with Dolby Audio, the IdeaPad 520 is a blend of style and substance, just like you. A remarkable laptop should have a remarkable look and feel, and this one is no exception. The IdeaPad 520 features a redesigned chassis with angled edges and metal surfaces, for a contemporary take on classic style. Available in 3 sophisticated tone-on-tone options with a soft touch finish, iron gray, champagne gold, or bronze. We also redesigned the touchpad, for a better user experience with multi-finger gestures. Touch, click and zoom, you'll feel the difference. The IdeaPad 520 features top-of-the-line 8th Gen Intel registered Core i7 processing and up to 16 GB memory, for lightning-fast responsiveness. Multitask with ease, you'll be able to transition seamlessly between web tabs, and run multiple programs without being slowed down. Choose between SATA HDD storage, up to 2 TB SATA HDD, or performance-enhancing hybrid storage, with up to 256 GB SATA SSD plus 1 TB SATA HDD. You'll have more than enough space to expand your library of movies, music, apps and more. The IdeaPad 520 brings you Windows 10 Home, featuring a host of exciting new features. Need a party playlist? Ask Cortana, your very own digital personal assistant. Cortana works with more than 1,000 apps and services to ensure you'll always have the answers you need. Best of all, it works across all your Windows 10 devices to keep you organized. The IdeaPad 520 offers up to full high-definition resolution, with wide-angle IPS anti-glare technology. Whether you're lounging on the couch or want to watch with a friend, you'll get the absolute most of your entertainment from any angle. The IdeaPad 520 offers a boost from the sound of the IdeaPad 320. Now featuring Harman speakers with Dolby Audio, you'll experience crystal-clear audio with minimal distortion at any volume. Stream a playlist or tune into a conference call, you'll hear every detail.